Hello guys, and today I'm going to eat 9-day out of date triple bean chili. Okay, here is the date, the 20th of April. It's currently the 29th of April. At the moment there's some stories about Boris Johnson and who did actually pay for the refurbishments in his flat. He said he paid for it all, but people are arguing who paid for it first. That's to prove that it really is the date that I say it is. So, that's the general arguments at the moment. Now I'm going to show you, it says Plant Chef, I don't know why, and it says married with a smoky tomato sauce and fragrant coriander rice. Now why they say married I don't know, because to be honest I had no idea that food could actually marry each other, but there you go. In Britain even food can marry each other, okay? And you thought it was just for people, so did I, but there you go. It's apparently just some obscure use of the language. Now it says mixed beans and butternut squash in a tomato and chili sauce served with long grain rice. So I'm going to get a fork. I'm going to stab this. And now I'm going to put it in the microwave, okay? Okay. It's been in the microwave. I added the water because I just saw the instructions that said you've got to add some water to the rice. Now I probably added far too much water, to be completely honest, but I'm not used to doing this. I'm not used to cooking rice normally. And I thought, well, if I didn't put enough water in, it might cause more of a problem if I put too much in. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's come out of the microwave. I have to be careful because I don't want it to spill everywhere. I'm now going to pour it onto the plate. I'll pause, not the right word, well, it is actually with this, but that's not how I wanted to do it, but it's just very difficult to do while filming. The nice way of doing it is to get the rice out first and then put the rest of it onto the rice, okay? But never mind. And I put this on the top, so I want to do it. That's trying to get down my leg. Oh dear. Well, that'll have to do. Okay, right. So I'm trying to show you as much as I can, but I daren't show you anymore. I'm sorry, I daren't. It'll flood everywhere otherwise. Right. These are the beans. Okay. Okay, I daren't show you anymore. I'm sorry, it'll go everywhere if I do. I have to show you more when I've eaten a lot of it, so now I'm going to eat it, okay? As I say, I'm just trying to do this in my bedroom. I don't have a fancy camera setup, I can't afford it, so. Right. So I'm going to start talking about it now. Okay, right. So it says triple bean chili. Now, I would expect this to be really, really spicy, but it's not, luckily. I'm not a fan of incredibly hot, spicy food. And this isn't too bad, especially as it is 9 days out of date. But considering it only consists of vegetables and there isn't any meat in here, and it does say suitable for vegans, so I mean there's absolutely no animal product whatsoever in here. Now this is actually a surprise, okay, because to be absolutely honest with you, normally whenever I've tried vegan meals by mistake, not because I sometimes always wanted to, but sometimes I bought meals because they were cheap and I was in a rush around the supermarket, and when I got home I found out why. As they said they were vegan. I thought, well, so what initially, but a lot of vegan food, especially when they do things like pizzas and basically where they try to recreate food that normally uses animal products like milk or, you know, other things, it tastes disgusting. But this is a surprise. If I was a vegan, I could, you know, I'd genuinely eat this a lot, I think. This just tastes very nice. Okay? Right, now I can show a bit more of it, because now it's not going to fall onto the screen or something, okay? a lot of the beans, there's other sorts of beans, like there's another kind of bean it's got. I don't know what other kind of beans there are, because they look the same to me as that. I showed you the red bean, and maybe I've eaten some of the others, I don't know. I don't know what other kind of bean they're actually talking about, to be honest, but maybe I've missed it, maybe I've just eaten them. Those are two types of bean. I'm not saying there wasn't one, I just perhaps didn't notice it. And this, I think, is the butternut squash. I think what kind of beans there should have been, so. And the red kidney beans, red pepper, butter bean. It says red kidney beans. Well, I'm looking at this quickly, but I can't see what the third bean is. So it says cook, right, I'm going to show it here, in case anybody can see it. Maybe it won't be good enough. I'm also trying to eat at the same time, to be completely honest with you, but... Oh, it says canalia beans. I don't know what kind of beans they are. So, I don't know what the difference is between the butternut beans and the... Maybe that's a canella bean. I don't know. I'd have to look into this, because I genuinely don't know, but... Maybe I've eaten some already and I didn't notice it, I don't know. But... Anyway, it's not... It shouldn't make your mouth absolutely explode, but... It's not completely cold either. You know, it's not like a korma. It's slightly warmer than a korma, I think, but I'm sure, you know, curry fans will really be upset at what I'm saying, but there you go. Right, well, I've nearly finished it now. That's better than I thought it would be. By the way, I think Satsuma's the right word. I can't remember what it is now, but it's something like that. There was something I had recently where I ate it cold. And I talked about it, and in fairness, people said that it was sacrilege if you did. So, I later ate the other two hot, but I don't think I did a video of it. Okay? And they did truthfully taste better, but I'm not convinced they were that much better. You know, than but... Right, so there you go. And, basically... I got this for 63p because it was about to expire the same day I bought it, but you can so I do not like to see food waste, so although this is extremely uncouth, and I just don't like to see food go to waste, so I'm trying to get some into this way, but it is extremely unprofessional and you shouldn't eat it that way normally. We could just leave it, but I think it's a waste of food. And I'm sure people will leave comments saying, how slovenly, why are you doing this, why are you fingering food off a plate? But it also makes it easier to wash later, to be totally honest. So there you go. That's most of it, right? So there you go, guys. Triple bean chili. Okay. It said married with a smoked tomato sauce and fragrant coriander rice. Okay. So there's also some left in here, and I'll have that separate in a minute, but I'll have that off camera. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.